Hello friends, once again I am back with a new video in our ongoing series of AI in pharmaceutical sciences. This time we will learn about applications of AI in marketing, product development, managing medication, online pharmacy, that is e-pharmacy. Very few research applications or articles or studies are available to indicate full-fledged, reproducible and widespread general applications of AI in formulation. So the first work in the use of neural network, that is deep learning, for modeling pharmaceutical formulations was performed by Hussein and co-workers at the University of Cincinnati, USA. In various studies, they modeled the in vitro release characteristics of a range of drugs dispersed in matrices prepared from various hydrophilic polymers. In all these cases, neural network with a single hidden layer were found to offer reasonable performance in the prediction of drug release. So after training the machine learning model, they have predicted the use of machine learning model for the prediction of type of drug release for different drugs. In a more recent study involving the formulation of diclofenac sodium from a matrix tablet prepared from cetyl alcohol, personnel from the pharmaceutical company KRKA and the University of Ljubljana have used neural network to predict the rate of drug release and to undertake optimization using 2 and 3 dimensional response surface analysis. So they have trained the machine learning model using various type of drugs and excipient to understand the pattern of matrix, release of drug from the matrix. Then they tested it and they deployed for other problems for the release pattern. In product development, the applications of AI, the pharmaceutical product development process is a multivariate optimization problem. It involves the optimization of formulation and process variable. So we have seen in our earlier video that when there are lot many input features, when there are lot many covariates, in that case, and when there is very complex type of correlation which cannot be handled in a linear manner, then this type of problem are the best problem for the deep learning model. One of the most useful properties of artificial neural network is their ability to generalize. These features make them suitable for solving problems in the area of optimization of formulations in pharmaceutical product development. Artificial neural network models showed better fitting and predicting abilities in the development of solid dosage forms in the investigations of the effects of several factors such as formulation, compression parameters on tablet properties such as dissolution. Artificial neural network provided a useful tool for the development of microemulsion based drug delivery systems in which experimental efforts was minimized. But yes, it is true that more and more studies are to be done. They are warranted to ensure and establish the application of AI in pre-formulation or formulation or any study related to pharmaceutics research area. Now we will talk about applications of AI in marketing. So sales and marketing are very big domain. So whatever um, uh, ready to use actionable insights we are getting on YouTube or OTT platform like Max or Z Cinema or Hotstar or Amazon Prime or for that matter Netflix. So these all are the AI based tool to promote the marketing and sales of the industry. Similarly, the advertisement we are watching, we are seeing as a pop-up on our various websites or internet browsing when we go for, these all are based on studies of our recent or all-time browsing history and purchase history. So these are the cases of marketing. We go ahead here. The pharmaceutical industry is a sale guided arena, with AI becoming more useful in refining the modus operandi of marketing and strategies that businesses use. Using AI, a company can chart the common customer journey like his browsing or purchasing habits. Think of tools e-pharmacies use to track these behaviors of customer. This can lead the company to classify the direct marketing techniques the customer was subjected to and eventually convince them make a purchase. Finding this information is vital to guaranteeing the same marketing techniques are continue to only promote profitable success. Pharma companies can implement AI in the manufacturing process for higher productivity, improved efficiency, and faster production of life-saving drugs. AI can be used to manage and improve all aspects of pharmaceutical manufacturing process like quality control, predictive maintenance, waste reduction, decision optimization, process optimization. So earlier we have seen the application of AI in marketing. Now we have moved to AI in manufacturing. AI can replace the time consuming conventional manufacturing techniques, thereby helping pharma companies to launch drugs in the market much faster and at cheaper rates as well. Apart from increasing their ROI, that is return on investment, sustainability by limiting the human intervention in the manufacturing process, AI would also eliminate any scope for human error. Optimizing brand performance requires aligning brand value and sales potential with specific market need. AI and machine learning technologies help make this optimization possible. When life sciences companies leverage machine learning tools for commercial application, they can bring customer engagement to an entirely new level. For example, they can determine exactly which physicians are likely to prescribe their drugs. So it is very important. Pharma companies should know which physicians are likely to prescribe their drugs. So for more studies or more deep dive on this topic, I recommend you visit the IQVIA website and understand how they are implementing AI technique in promoting their products. I mean, how they are helping the company to understand what the patient behavior, retailer behavior, and physician's behavior. They are doing this study other than being top on the implementing of AI and machine learning in their day-to-day clinical trial operation. So AI can determine exactly which physicians are likely to prescribe the medicines of the company, the marketing channels they are most likely to respond to, and the messaging that will have the biggest impact. These tools are equally impactful when engaging patients and payers, that is the person who pay the amount, in conversation about a product's value to spur interest and support. These detailed insights help them make evidence-based decisions that increase sales while making better use of limited resources to maximize return. It is important. The insights generated by AI and machine learning enable brand managers and market researchers to go beyond interpretation of historical events, that is, what physicians prescribed in the past, and primary market research to a realm of prescriptive analytics and predictive analytics. It is very important and fruitful for PMT team in this era to use AI to judge the market scenario and to understand the behavior of the physician. Using this insight to model results of different courses of action, pharma companies can truly transform customer engagement and develop tailored marketing and sales strategies customized for every client that are more engaging and more efficient. These are not hypothetical outcomes. Forward-thinking pharma companies are already using machine learning and advanced analytics to transform their commercial strategies, and they are seeing enhanced sales results. These platforms are helping them drive commercial innovation and foster better business development and project delivery in a way that wasn't previously possible. Artificial intelligence in managing medication. Now this is from viewpoint of patients. Some AI-based application monitor the usage of drugs by a patient in real time. These applications use a webcam to autonomously make sure whether the patients are taking medicines according to their prescription or not. So these webcams are connected to AI platform. It helps patients manage their health condition. Patients with serious health condition and those who often fail to follow doctor advice can get maximum benefit from such type of AI-driven applications. Pharma companies can use AI to develop cures for both known diseases like Alzheimer and Parkinson's disease and rare disorders. Generally, pharmaceutical companies do not spend their time and resources on finding treatments for rare diseases because of the obvious reason, that is poor return on investment is very low compared to time and cost it takes to develop drugs for treating rare diseases. According to Global Genes, nearly 95% of rare diseases don't have FDA approved treatments or cures. And if AI doesn't help, then mind my words, this 95% will never go down, but because of change in climatic conditions, it can become 100 again. So to reduce this figure of 95% rare disorders which are not treatable, we should rely on AI. However, thanks to AI and machine learning innovative abilities, the scenario is rapidly changing for the better. Now, application of AI in e-pharmacy. So whenever you go for shopping on e-pharmacy website, you will get lot of recommendations based on your purchase history, browsing history, and based on what earlier patients of similar symptom or similar prescription of another patient, what they have purchased. Based on all these inputs and what we call it permutation combination, you will get ready to use uh, item to take in your basket. So what are the customized solutions? What is the logic behind giving you highly customized and filtered purchasing option? So few options are, that is type of season, type of festival, type of disease, order frequency, bill value, type of product, OTC, FMCG, medical devices, surgical, cosmetic, generics, non-generics, and pin code, that is your area address. Based on all this huge amount of data collected by the companies give you ready to use actions based on their data analytics. Pill reminders, all these things are now talk of the town because of AI, heavy or massive applications of AI in e-pharmacy or other e-commerce websites. So see here, you see this is the screenshot I have taken from famous Tata 1mg, a famous online or e-pharmacy in India. Suppose someone searches Novo Rapid, a type of insulin injection by company Novo Nordics. So the moment they click on Novo Rapid, you see the right side bottom, you will get a advertisement or a informative blog on the topic, choose the right needle for better diabetes management. So they know if someone is using Novo Rapid, definitely he is using or he may use our product, that is insulin needle, which is a very fine needle which is used for taking insulin shots on intramuscular structures on the body. So here you see two highlighted font, B and D, better diabetes. So there is one famous company BD, king in the world for making different type of needle. So you see the moment you write Novo Rapid, you will get a pop-up indicating the products based on what you are typing, based on your product searching, based on your prescription or other symptoms. So these are the user feedbacks. They are collecting data and they are giving the feedback, and these reports can be useful for governments and for doctor also. So it is up to the AI algorithm in what manner, how productively, how smartly they are using the data given by you directly, indirectly, to serve you in a better manner in future based on AI understanding. But data is important. Another example of similar type of product recommendation. Now, concluding remark. So testing new drug is a slow, expensive and labor intensive process. AI has the potential to disrupt every stage of the clinical trial process. Already we have seen the application of AI in clinical trial. So what are the applications of AI in clinical trial? From finding eligible patient, that is recruitment of patient and healthy volunteers, to studies, to monitoring adherence remotely and data gathering. In all these stages of clinical trial, AI has important say. You can read from website of IQVIA how they are using AI in each and every step of clinical trial. So they are world leader at present position to use AI in clinical trial. One of the most fertile fields for application of AI is healthcare, because other area are already using it for many years and they have seen the fruits also. So they are going to beta version now. But even, I mean, the pharma has yet to see the full fruits of even the alpha version of AI. Beta is far away. So one of the most fertile fields for application of AI is healthcare, enabled by vast data in electronic health records and enhanced computational power because of GPU from NVIDIA. AI applications offer enormous potential to improve patient care, from identifying new drug targets to supporting clinical decision making and lifestyle changes for disease prevention. Numerous in silico studies have assessed the accuracy of AI model predictions or concordance between human experts and algorithm. However, many clinicians and policymakers have criticized these foundational studies because the benefits and risk of AI have yet to be adequately measured in clinical practice. But one thing is sure, the coming era in pharma industry is of AI only. There might be skeptical opinions or cynicism, but AI has come and it will show its importance in every phase of pharma industry. There is no denying from that particular fact. Such criticism indicate a gap in the literature on the steps needed for a comprehensive evaluation of AI based on risk and benefit. Still, the future of clinical development is on the verge of a major transformation due to convergence of large and new digital data resources, computing power to identify clinically meaningful pattern in data using efficient AI and machine learning algorithm, and regulators embracing this change through new collaboration. Here we finish another video of application of AI in non-drug discovery arena particularly. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much.